Transform your kitchen experience with this Carote 11-piece pots and pans set, non-stick, a revolutionary cookware set designed to make cooking, cleaning, and storage more convenient than ever. Whether you're an experienced chef or just starting your culinary journey, this set combines style, functionality, and durability, ensuring a seamless experience from prep to plating. With its space-saving removable handles and exceptional non-stick performance, it's time to upgrade your kitchen with a cookware set that truly delivers. Let's explore why the Carote cookware set has become a must-have for modern kitchens and how it can simplify your cooking routine while elevating your dishes. Key features that make the Carote cookware set exceptional. Number 1. Space-saving design for clutter-free cabinets. No more struggling with overcrowded cabinets or messy stacks of pots and pans. The detachable handle design allows this set to nest neatly, saving up to 70% more storage space. This makes it perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or anyone looking to maximize cabinet efficiency. Number 2. Effortless cleaning for busy lifestyles. The Carote cookware set's exceptional non-stick surface makes cleaning a breeze. Gone are the days of scrubbing stubborn stains. Simply wipe the surface and you're done. The set doubles as dinnerware, allowing for one-time cleaning of cookware and serving dishes. Number 3. Multitasking made easy. The versatile removable handle isn't just a space saver, it's a game changer. This innovative feature allows you to seamlessly transition from stove to oven, grill, fridge, and even the dining table with ease. The upgraded handle design ensures a secure grip, offering peace of mind while cooking. Number 4. Superior non-stick performance and heat distribution. Enjoy perfectly cooked meals every time, thanks to the rapid and even heat distribution of Carote's non-stick cookware. Whether you're making delicate omelets or hearty stews, the premium surface ensures food slides off effortlessly, preserving the integrity of your dishes and making cleanup simple. Number 5. Uncompromising quality and durability. Each Carote cookware set undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure durability and reliability. Built to withstand the demands of everyday cooking, this set promises long-lasting performance without compromising on convenience or style. What's included in the Carote 11-piece set? Here's what you'll find in this versatile cookware collection. Various sized pots and pans, perfect for every type of cooking, from sautéing vegetables to simmering soups. Tempered glass lids retain heat and moisture while letting you monitor your cooking. Removable handles transform your pots and pans into serving dishes or storage containers instantly. Non-stick coating ensures effortless cooking and cleaning. Space-saving stackable design keeps your kitchen neat and organized. The healthier choice for your family. Cooking shouldn't just be convenient, it should also be safe and healthy. The Carote cookware set is made with non-toxic, eco-friendly materials, ensuring no harmful chemicals like PFOA make their way into your meals. This means you can cook with confidence, knowing you're providing your family with wholesome, safe dishes. Why the Carote cookware set is perfect for every kitchen. Compact kitchens and RVs. The stackable, space-saving design makes it an excellent choice for compact living spaces. Its lightweight yet durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of travel, making it ideal for RV kitchens or camping trips. Busy families. For families on the go, quick and easy cleanup is essential. With its non-stick coating and versatile design, this cookware set ensures meal prep and post-meal cleanup are hassle-free. Professional or aspiring chefs. Whether you're experimenting with new recipes or perfecting your signature dish, the Carote cookware set offers the performance, precision, and versatility you need. Customer reviews speak volumes. I've never owned a cookware set as versatile and easy to store as the Carote 11-piece set. The detachable handles are a game changer for my tiny apartment kitchen. Amanda T. Cooking and cleaning have never been easier. The non-stick performance is incredible, and the stackable design has freed up so much cabinet space. Ryan M. Perfect for our RV adventures. The handles detach easily and the pots nest neatly. Highly recommended for anyone with limited space. Sarah L. Final thoughts. Why you should choose Carote? This Carote 11-piece pots and pans set non-stick isn't just cookware. It's a complete kitchen solution. From its innovative space-saving design to its exceptional non-stick performance, this set is designed to make your life easier while helping you create delicious meals. Whether you're cooking for your family, Entertaining guests or preparing meals in a small space, Carote delivers a combination of quality, style, and functionality that's hard to beat. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.